Hi everybody, it's Miss Summer here, and today we're going to start our lesson with a joke. So, what kind of tree fits in your hand? Think about it very hard. You got it? It's a palm tree. Okay, so all jokes aside, we're gonna have a good day, I promise. How do you spell the word tree? We're gonna spell it together on three. Okay, you ready? 1, 2, 3. T-R-E-E. And are the E's in tree long or short vowel sounds? I'll let you think about it. Raise your hand if you said long. Raise your hand if you said short. If you raise your hand for long, you're correct. And the reason why is because a long vowel sound says its name. So in tree, it says E. It doesn't say eh. It's not a tre. It's a tree, right? Okay, so long vowel sounds. Do we remember what the difference is? Let's see. We'll start out with long A. Long A says its name, A. So an acorn, that's a good example. Okay, let's go with the short A sounds. Now, can you all say what the short A says? Did I hear ah? Yes, that's right. Ah. It's not A. It sounds its name out, okay? So, an example of that would be sat, cat, rat. So all those. Okay, now how many syllables are in the word tree? Let's clap it out. Tree. Just one, right? That's easy enough. Now let's see how many syllables are in the word palm tree, okay? Let's clap it out. Palm tree. So two, right? Sounds good enough to me. Let's see. Okay, friends. Now we will turn our focus on the TV screen and watch this video over blending. So we're just going to go on over to YouTube, and I'm going to make my face smaller. Ready? And in this video, we are going to use our blending arm, okay? Let me move my face over a little bit. Let's start.
Hi everyone! We are going to be practicing blending sounds today. Are you ready?
Yeah!
Here we go! We are starting with lots of new sounds. But to make words, we need to blend or join the sounds together. This is the sound F,
Ah.
and this is the sound
T.
F.
Ah.
We can blend these together to make a word.
Ah. T. At. Arms ready? Ah. 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 Sad. Right? Let's do one more, okay? Puh. At. Pat. Good job, everybody. Okay, guys. Next, I want you to get out your scissors, glue, and pencils, okay? And we're going to do a little activity. Everybody's going to have a piece of paper that looks like this. It says, I can spell blank at. We just did that, right? We did those words. Okay, so I want you all to make up your own words. I'm going to give you a few minutes, and then I'm going to come back and show you the word that I made and my illustration. Right underneath this or above, you're going to write or draw a picture of the word that you chose, okay? Okay, is everybody done with their little project? I'm going to show you guys what mine is, okay? I chose the word cat because I recently just got a cat and I love her. So that's my picture of her. We found her at Sonic and she's just a little kitten. Okay, so let's look at what some of you put, okay? I see a cat. I see a bat. I see a mat. I can spell mat. Mat. I can spell gnat. Gnat. I can spell sat. Sat. Okay. Hey guys, this game is going to be a quick one, but a fun one. We're going to be using the short A. So we're just going to start right here. Let's go.
And can.
Can. Here's a picture. So let's see. Let's go through all the letters. A,
A.
E, uh. Let's see. Let's start out with this one. A,
And
and. Let's see. What other words does this letter make? It says A and it says A, right? Let's try it. Let's just try it. Good job.
app.
Clap.
Clap.
Cool.
App.
App.
Clap.
See, what do you all think it is? You think it's O? Okay, let's try it. Let's try it. Oh, that wasn't right. Okay, let's try it again. I know that we will get it this time. Let's try the A. That was right. App.
Am. Am.
Am. What do you all think it is? I'll give you a minute. You think it's E? Let's see. Wait, let's hear its E sound first. Eh? Am? We can try it. Let's try it. Oh, that wasn't right. Try the O? Okay, let's try it. No? Well, we know that it's not hum, so let's try am. Let's see. Perfect.
Apps.
Okay.
Caps.
Let's do this one for fun because I just made one. Okay. Cat. We know that's going to be an A. Cat. Okay, perfect. All right, everybody. And we are just going to finish with an exit ticket. So I want you all to think of a word that has the short A sound, okay? Now we've talked about the short A a lot today, and I want it to be one syllable, okay? So whenever you're done with your exit tickets, you'll just turn them in the front, and we will start with our next lesson. Thank you.